Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today's video will be introducing the original Xbox. Yes, that is right, ladies and gentlemen. The original Xbox in its full glory. Now, I've been meaning to take this thing apart for quite a while. As usual, the original Xbox comes with 3 separate ports. The power port, the audio/video port, and of course an Ethernet port for Xbox Live Gaming. I'm going to be taking it apart and giving it a very great clean. So you guys will watch the teardown. Ethernet cable is what made Xbox Live possible on this console back in 2001 all the way up until 2004 due to the fact that Xbox 360 would be released a year later, which is why Xbox Live support ended at 2004. I don't have the best tools out there, but I'm pretty confident that I could take this thing apart with these items. Alrighty. Oh, there we go. Wow, look at that. That's quite the shielding. Alright, now let's take a look inside. There you go. We got the DVD part and the hard drive. The DVD reader. Wow, an IDE cable. It's a pretty old cable if you guys aren't familiar with this one. So yeah, and that's the power cable right there, the yellow one. This is some pretty interesting hardware under the hood. Now I'm going to take everything else out. Come on, come on. Oh, that thing's hard to take out. Ooh. I mean, that's secure, all right. There's the hard drive. I'll leave that in its place. Don't feel like unscrewing that soon. Well, now this thing looks dirty. I'll show you guys in a minute what it looks like. As for the DVD drive though, pulling that out as well. Pretty miraculous technology. Ooh. Don't want to break it now. There you go. That's what the power is all. The power looks familiar as the 360 one, to be honest. The only difference being is the old ID interface. The new one uses SATA, which is a smaller data interface. Well, you can see how dirty it is up under there. It's also really dirty inside this thing. So yeah. here's the inside of the original Xbox. You can tell there's an Xbox chip right there. Another Xbox chip up here. And, oh, look at it. Is that what I think it is? No. An NVIDIA chip. Yeah, yes, sir, Rooney. MCPX X3. So it's being powered by the Pentium 3 right here. And of course by Microsoft. Wow. And the power supply. Man, what a small power supply right there. To me it looks small, but for some people it might be pretty big. And there's the fan, of course, so that way it doesn't overheat. But I feel like changing the thermal paste might be a great idea, because this thing is really old, and when it comes to playing the original Halo title, it tends to slow down at the very last level called the mod. It tends to slow down, so I might as well re-paste it. So yeah, one thing I found interesting about this teardown of the original Xbox is the way that the DVD drive has like this weird bump in the bottom. I'm not entirely sure why they did that, but I guess it's there. So yeah. Everybody, it seems I'm in a bit of a roadblock. It turns out I need some kind of special liquid to get rid of the paste that's stuck on the heat sinks. And it's really hard to get out. I don't want to break the chips, so I mean, I know this one's locked on. This one already took off and it doesn't seem to really budge. So stay tuned for part 2, and don't worry, this will eventually be changed soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and turn on that bell to get more notifications from my channel.